Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. In this video, let's learn how to make egg 65 recipe. Egg 65 is a great snack or starter recipe. This can be enjoyed with sizzling hot fried rice or noodles. So, let's start cooking. First, boil 6 eggs. Remove the shell and cut them as shown and remove the yolk. Save the yolk for later use. Chop the egg white into small pieces. Take it into a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt according to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves, and add 1/4 cup of maida, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Add 1 egg white. Mix everything well. Use your hands so that all the ingredients are mixed well together. Add 2 egg yolks. This helps in binding. Mix it well. Heat up the oil for frying. Fry the eggs carefully. Be very careful while putting egg in hot oil. Oil splatters when frying eggs. Remove when it turns golden brown. Egg balls are ready now. Let's prepare the sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add 2 red chilies and 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. Saute them for a minute. You can even adjust the spices according to your taste. Now let's add the fried egg balls and mix it well. Now add 1/3 cup of tomato sauce and half tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Mix well with the sauces. Egg 65 is one of the tastiest possible easy to make snack recipes which can be a big hit with all age groups. Do try this easy snack recipe and let us know your comments. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and mix it well. Add 2 green chilies. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. So friends, as you can see, this restaurant style egg 65 is very easy to make at home also. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to our channel. Serve this delicious starter with noodles or fried rice. Please share your feedback in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.